Picture yourself at the grocery store, grabbing a plastic bag without a second thought. It seems ordinary, but this bag has a wild story. One that starts with a clever invention and ends with a global challenge. More than just a way to carry groceries, the plastic bag is a marvel of science and engineering. Its journey began with a Swedish inventor, Sten Gustaf Thulin, who actually wanted to help the environment. He imagined a reusable bag that would save trees, not a disposable one. But how did a solution become a problem? To find out, we'll travel back in time, peek inside factories, and see how this bag changed the world. This is a story about innovation, unintended consequences, and the power of our choices. So grab your curiosity. Let's uncover the secret life of the plastic bag. The adventure starts now. Before plastic, people used baskets, cloth sacks, and leather pouches. Sturdy, reusable, and built to last. Paper bags arrived in the 1800s, but they tore easily and required cutting down trees. In the 1950s, scientists created polyethylene, a strong, flexible plastic. Sten Gustaf Thulin designed the first plastic shopping bag in 1959, hoping it would be reused and save forests. His bag was lightweight, waterproof, and much stronger than paper. Ironically, the bag meant to be reused became the ultimate symbol of throwaway culture. The world didn't switch overnight, but Thulin's invention planted the seeds for a revolution. Soon, the plastic bag was ready to take over the world. The only question, when would its big moment arrive? That moment was closer than anyone realized. How do you turn plastic pellets into a grocery bag? It's called blown film extrusion. Tiny polyethylene pellets are melted in a giant machine, then blown into a huge bubble, like a plastic balloon. The bubble cools, flattens, and is cut into sheets. Machines cut, seal, and punch out handles, transforming film into bags. Sometimes, logos are printed before the final cut. In minutes, raw plastic becomes a finished bag, strong, light, and waterproof. It's a feat of engineering that changed how we carry things, but this convenience came with a cost. At first, plastic bags were a novelty. Paper still ruled the checkout. But by the late 1970s, supermarkets realized plastic bags were cheaper and took up less space. Stores could buy thousands for the price of a few hundred paper bags. Customers loved the handles and waterproof design. Plastic bags made shopping easier and more convenient. By the mid-1980s, plastic bags had taken over, becoming the king of the checkout counter. Billions were given away every year, and no one thought twice. The original vision of a reusable bag was forgotten. Instead, plastic bags became the face of a throwaway culture. But the environmental cost was just beginning to show. The same qualities that made plastic bags popular, lightweight, durable, cheap, make them an environmental nightmare. They don't break down for centuries, piling up in landfills and polluting nature. Wind carries them into rivers and oceans, where animals mistake them for food or get tangled in them. Sea turtles, birds, and whales suffer from plastic pollution. Over time, bags break into microplastics, contaminating water, soil, and even the air. These tiny fragments enter the food chain, affecting wildlife and possibly human health. We use trillions of bags each year, most for just a few minutes. The convenience that made them popular has fueled a global pollution crisis. A solution meant to save trees became a massive environmental problem. Now, the world faces the challenge of cleaning up the mess. The world is waking up. Countries are banning or taxing single-use plastic bags. These policies work, cutting plastic bag use dramatically. Innovation is booming. Reusable bags made from cotton, canvas, or recycled plastic are everywhere. New compostable bags break down naturally, offering hope for the future. But the biggest change starts with us. Every time you bring your own bag, you help protect the planet. Our choices matter. Together, we can write a better ending to the plastic bag story. Science gave us the bag. Now it's up to us to use it wisely. The next chapter is in our hands. If you learned something new today, give us a like, hit subscribe.